Hey everybody, welcome back to the cabin and welcome to Woodness Goodness. We have hit 100,000 subscribers, and so I want to pay tribute to the thing that started it all, which is this cabin. And so we are going to do some giveaways and feature some more videos in the coming weeks on this here beautiful cabin. To start things off, my buddy Mike from Mike Will Travel on YouTube wanted to feature this here cabin on his channel. So in order to make sure the cabin looked absolutely pristine for his video feature, I had to do quite a bit of little work. And this is back in the very, very early spring. So we're gonna go back in time so I can show you how I got this cabin completely ready for Mike's visit. Oh, and if you're looking for some sweet new swag, be sure to visit semiprofessionalamateur.com to get your gear, baby. Also, be sure to like and subscribe, baby. Mwah. Ugh. Oh, come on, baby. Ah. Ah. Okay, that did it. Nice. This is why you can't just let fences sit around. This is probably what killed the tree. It's like 8 inches in there. Oh. I guess I don't have to cut this one. Maybe I do. Oh my gosh. Ah. There's gotta be something. Whoa. Well, I guess pressure treated. It doesn't always last. I tried prying it out with my pickaxe here, just ding, but I destroyed the structural integrity. Where I was living in Ontario, for all my Ontarians up in Canada, you know that this is called a Muskoka chair. But down in Virginia, we call these Adirondack chairs. I don't know how many other names for this style of chair there are, but if you have this style of chair, see that style of chair, guys? Here, I'll quickly flip it. All right, I'll flip it. So tell me in the comments what you call that chair wherever it is that you live. I'm very curious. So we're gonna build these and put the rug in the cabin and just keep getting it prepped for, yeah, the video shoot with Mike. I just wanted to show you guys the semi-professional amateur way of tying down a 8x10 carpet roll to the roof of a car, okay? So when you show up to the store without a ratchet strap, you start using things that you have lying around. This is the lanyard to the car key. Oh, and what do we have here? This is a dog leash. Anyhow, you gotta do what you gotta do. There we go. Gentle. Day 2 of making the cabin look beautiful. We're at the front here. You can see behind me. See the gap down in there. It's kind of nasty. So I have all these cypress. I think it's cypress or it's a type of cedar, but we'll go ahead and say Leland cypress logs here. And I figured if we stack them up in here, I mean, it'll look kind of cool. I mean, this is the kind of firewood you'd probably only really want to burn outside, but it'll just kind of cover up that gap under the cabin and make it look finger licking good, right? That was weird, I apologize. And then I'm also thinking, see how I've set up the kind of fire pit area back in here, which is cool. And now, you know, this huge gap under here, again, I can't afford to build a deck yet, guys. It's just lumber prices. I literally went to Lowe's yesterday, and OSB, like literally one of the cheapest building wood products there is in terms of like a 4x8 sheet, is $38. Anyhow, that's not the point. The point is, we're trying to make it look just a little cooler down here, especially if, you know, taking pictures from down there up against the window wall. So I'm actually gonna get firewood from my actual firewood stack and put real firewood in here plus some of that cypress wood. And I think it's just gonna make it look really cool. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Well, there's no mice yet in here, but between you and me, okay, it's our little secret. I am gonna take down the vapor barrier and put up a 1/2-inch hardware cloth. But actually the vapor barrier in the winter traps some moisture. So really, I guess I'm supposed to have the plastic on the ground and the insulation should still be breathable. Anyhow, that's neither here nor there. We're gonna film another episode when I fix that. But right now I'm just putting these pieces of wood that I actually cut, they're old fence posts, and I'm gonna put the firewood on top of that so it doesn't sit on the wet soil. All right, guys, I did not mean to do this. One of those blue lizards. He's fine, but I scared him, so he dropped his tail. That's not a worm. That's not a snake. That's one of these kind of fluorescent blue lizards that we have in Virginia. And poor guy dropped his tail. They do that so they distract whatever's hunting them down. Poor guy. But they grow back. I see lizards drop their tails all the time when my dog gets close to them, so I think the lizard went under here. Yeah, there he is, poor guy. Whoa. He just crawled on me. This way. Go to the wood pile. That's it. That's it. Keep going. You're almost there. Oh, wow. There you go, buddy. So for those of you wondering, Jackson and Titus. I had that commissioned a couple years ago from a friend, and it's finally got a beautiful resting place. The cabin is ready. In fact, he's actually in there filming right now. So as he's filming, I'm doing some other things just to tidy up and, you know, make sure that there isn't any nails or screws sticking out where they shouldn't be. But I'm also building a bit of a bonfire back here. I don't know, you guys may have never seen this angle of the cabin, but big old bonfire, cabin in the back, just getting some wood and scraps from the teardrop, and it should be a good one. So Mike wants a thumbnail for the video, so this thing goes viral, obviously. So he asked me if I had a chainsaw. So it's time I introduce you to the Magnum.
Oh no.
So we got the fire going, you know, because it looks better on video and photos. This is my boy Mike. You gotta check out his YouTube channel. Mike Will Travel. He just did the tour. What do you think?
Oh dude, I love it. Like seriously, I cannot believe this guy has like next to no building experience.
Come on,
like,
keep it coming. Come on, more.
I've been to probably like 60, 70 something Airbnbs the past 12 months. This is like top 3 for me.
Come on, let's go, baby!
He didn't pay me for that. There's no under the table deal.
Oh, not yet, not yet.
But no, seriously, he did an amazing job. And you know, check out the full tour on my channel.
Yeah,
and
I'm gonna link that in the description below. You're not gonna wanna miss it, because he pays a little closer attention to detail than your boy here. Am I flexing?
Yeah.
You like them apples? Even though I didn't use this chainsaw at all for this build. Should I be looking down at my muscles or my chainsaw? Ah! Alright guys, be sure to check the link in the description below for Mike's full tour of the cabin. I answer some questions. You guys are gonna see things you've never seen before, and it's just cool to kind of hear some of my takes on some of the mistakes and some of the learning curves that came along with this cabin build. Be sure to subscribe to Mike's channel as well as mine, and smash that like button, and be sure to hang on to your seats because we got more epic videos coming your way. Much love. Mwah. Peace out.